Hey viewers, so we have this multiple figure test on the board. It's quite lengthy, but it's so easy to solve. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we read and understand the question, like what they are asking us to do. Then we can now start solving the question. After reading, we need to interpret the question. Then we can now start solving the question. Now let's read the question on the board and try to understand what they asked us to do. A triangle and a circle have equal areas. If the base of the triangle and the diameter of the circle each have length 5, what is the height of the triangle? Okay, so we are given a triangle and a circle to have the same equal areas. Of course, the area of this triangle, the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So we are told that the area of a set of a triangle and the area of a circle. The area of a circle is what? Area of a circle is pi r square. Good. Now, they say a triangle and a circle have equal areas, which implies that this is equals to this. That is half base height is equals to pi r square. All right. Now, if the base of the triangle and the diameter of the circle each have length 5, the base of the triangle is given to be 5. The diameter of the circle is also given to be 5. So which implies that we have our half, the base is 5, half times 5 times height. Okay, so we have substituted this 5, the 5 given into the base. Now we have the diameter of the circle is also given to be 5. So we have pi. Remember that diameter is twice of radius. Diameter is equals to radius times radius, which means that radius will be equals to what? Half of diameter. That is diameter over 2. So having that in mind, we are given the length of the circle to be what? Or the diameter of the circle to be 5, which means that since we know that diameter is radius times radius, and radius is half of the diameter, so we have to do what? We know that our radius will be what? 5. So which means that pi times 5 over 2. Remember that diameter is half of a radius. Diameter is twice of a radius, and radius is half of diameter. So radius is 5 over 2 squared. I hope we get that cleared. Good. So we have half times 5 times h is 5h equals to pi times, what is 5 squared? That's 5 times 5, right? That's 25 divided by 2 times 2, that is 4. Good. So having that in mind, we have 1 over 2 5h, or we can just say 1 times 5h is 5h. So let's just write that straight up. So we have 5h all over 2. Okay, so it equals to what? What is this? Pi times 25, that is 25 pi divided by 4. It's very easy. So what we need to do from here, since we are asked to find the height of the triangle, we are going to cross multiply. This we multiply this we multiply this. So doing that now, we have 5h times 4 equals to 2 times 25 pi. So this times this, that is 20h equals to 50 pi. So we divide both sides by 20 because we are actually looking for the height of the triangle. So dividing both sides by 20 now, this we cancel out. The height will be equals to what? 0 we cancel 0. The height will be equals to 5 over 2 pi. And that answers the question. As easy peasy as anything you can think of. Thank you.